cousins, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a show and tell and a review because I have been wearing this unit for about 4 or 5 days now. I believe this is day 5, so I can give you guys a detailed review on this unit. So we're going to start off with the styling process, and then we're going to jump into the review at the end. I'll insert some footage so you guys can see the process of how it looked throughout me wearing it. But hold on, what hair is that? Where is it from? This hair is from Hotbeautyhair. I'll be sure to link all their information in my description box, along with direct links and specific details on the unit that I have on, which I'm feeling her. So with all that being said, let's hop right into the application. I wanted to mention that this is like a 4x4 or a 5x4 closure wig, and I'm going to insert footage of the cap construction. It does come with like a cloth like material that you would need to cut if you want your lace to look as natural as possible.
Forever is the strangest thing. It's shorter than you think. No think.
I want to start off letting you guys know the specifics about this unit that I have on. This is their mid-length body wave closure wig, and they call it the light wispy bangs, which I really appreciate how they cut the bangs for you already, and they give you a good amount of bangage, which really made me feel some kind of way because it lets me know that whoever styled this unit knows what they're doing. I have this unit in 18 inches, and you can choose different lengths, but I really like this length and how lightweight it is for the summertime because it's hot as it's been in the hundreds here in California. Mother Nature, she not playing, okay? She is not playing. So this is day 5 of me wearing this wig. The first day, I just loved how this wig came styled. So I haven't washed this wig, but I did use dry shampoo on it. I just really love the way that this wig was styled straight out of the package. The initial curls are like wand curls, I would say. And I just love how they took their time styling this unit. A1 for how they styled this wig. As you guys seen in the footage of me styling this wig, I did go in and trim the bangs a little bit just to get them to my liking. But yes, I like my bangs long. If you guys want, you can go in and cut them shorter, but this is how I like to wear my bangs. So as you guys can see, the curls have fallen, and I kind of like bumped the hair back, but I still wanted to keep that wand curl effect. So I haven't washed this wig yet, but if I have time, I'll insert some footage of how it looks once you wash it. But I'm pretty sure it's just going to have a loose wave to it once it's washed, because this is a body wave texture. So this wig didn't have any foul smell or anything coming straight out the package, which I appreciate, because I did not want to wash it because I wanted you guys to see how it will come styled. So if you needed a human hair unit for a special occasion and you need to wear it right then when you get it, I definitely suggest this unit. It didn't tangle up on me like that. I fell asleep in it once, I ain't gonna lie. And the curls fell, but not too much. They still look really good. But even though I fell asleep in it, still didn't tangle up on me. I only get like a strand of hair here and there. Even when I'm brushing it with my paddle brush, it's not shedding like that. So the quality of this hair, definitely good. The density, I don't think it said on the website how much the density is, but I'm going to say it's about 150. I'll show you guys different angles of how it looks. And if it was straightened, it will come like below bra length on me. So it's definitely a true 18-inch unit. Let me see the price. So this wig starts at 18 inches and it goes up to 24 inches. Ooh, I know that will be gorgeous. It's kind of on the expensive side for a closure unit, in my opinion. It's $279 for 18 inches, but like I said, this quality is good. Very, very good. Damn, my air just came on. So if y'all hear that, my bad, in the traffic, it's just thanking. So let me wrap this video up. If I had to give an estimate of how long I felt like this unit would last, I'm going to say a year to 2 with proper care. Yeah, so y'all chime in down below and let me know how you feel about this wig. Have you heard of this company? I've seen this company on Instagram, and then I watched some reviews on YouTube, which I suggest you do so as well if you are considering purchasing from this company. Shout out to Hotbeautyhair for sponsoring today's video. I definitely appreciate it. Y'all share this video with anyone who you feel like will like this wig. And if you aren't a part of the fam, I would love to have you as one of my cousins. You can do so by subscribing down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. Now I'm gonna tell you like this, being that it's summertime, bangs can get a little hot, just a little bit, but she is so cute. And y'all hear that traffic? So disrespectful. Let me go. Ooh, the beat, it's the beat for me.